Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I just wanted to give you a little update of what I was working on this weekend. So if we look in the trunk of the Cobra, which you may have seen before, I do have the Mach 1000 audio system. So this was something that was not available on the Terminator Cobras or the Mach 1s, interestingly enough. And so mine is actually retrofitted in here. You can see the other aftermarket amps I have that I'm using to power them. The tray is really just for looks. But when people pull these out of the cars, they forget that there are brackets on the bottom side that these systems bolt to. So it is actually really hard to come up with the full system. When you find these on eBay, they'll have the subwoofer in the tray, but they always forget the brackets, it seems. So I was able to have another pair of these, and a friend of mine was reaching out to me asking what we could do to try to help him because he doesn't have brackets. And so a thought that we had was that we could make some templates for these. As you see, there's studs that go down into the car. There's studs that come up. And check the video description. I'll show you what we did here. On these ones, I was trying to clean some rust off them. And the other pair was better, so it's what ended up in the car. But this is kind of what we came up with some cardboard templates that we can now take and either make out of wood or steel or something, but just something that he can use to come up with something to hold these in place. So all we did was really poke them through the cardboard, then traced that cardboard and cut them out. And so now I have written on this the different dimensions of how long the studs are, whether they're going down or whether they're coming up, and just wrote that out. Now, also, there was some specific hardware to these on the passenger side rear one. It was almost impossible to thread on there, and the nut itself actually extends upwards. And so I was asking him when he does this to maybe make those studs a little bit longer in his case so that it actually makes it through the body of the car a little bit better. So anyway, using a punch, I just kind of made some punches here and then poked it through the cardboard, and it came out pretty good. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed seeing this. I think these came out pretty good for just being a template that we can then put in the mail and get to him so that he can come up with something to help keep everything in place. It is a pretty heavy system, and with some good throttle on the car, it can move back and forth pretty violently. So you do want that whole system bolted down the way that they intended it to. So check the video description again, and here's this bolt that I was talking about, or the nut. And so thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.